But before we go with the topic, we need to discuss congruency. Congruency property. Congruency property. Property of triangles. Congruency property of triangles. Actually, what is a congruency? If you take any two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they maintain the same shape, the same size. Okay? For example, if you take any two line segments, AB, another line segment CD, their shape is straight. Line segment means, okay, a straight line having endpoints. So the shape is straight. What about the size? Suppose the length of AB is 5 centimeters and the length of CD is 5 centimeters. So AB is equal to CD. Okay, the length of AB is equal to length of CD. So we can say that AB is congruent to line AB is, the line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD. So this is the symbol for congruency. So here two line segments are congruent if they maintain the same length. Similarly, we will take another figure. You take a circle. Circle. This is a circle. Circle possesses some radius. You take the radius as 3 centimeters. You take another circle. This is C1 and this is C2, having the same radius. Circle means it is round in shape. Shapes are equal. What about the size? Size depends on the radius. Okay. More radius, the size will be bigger. Less radius, the size will be smaller. So here, the circle 1 and circle 2 maintain the same radius, 3 centimeters. So we can say that C1, circle 1 is congruent to circle 2. So what is the congruency? Two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they maintain the same shape and same size. Okay. In the same way, square and rectangle. Okay. Square and rectangle. What do you mean by square? Square possesses sides. All sides are equal. Okay. You can take a rectangle, a square ABCD, and the square PQRS, P A, B, C, D, and here P, Q, R, S. Okay, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Here also 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So both the squares maintains the same shape because the sides are equal. The corresponding sides are equal. So you can say that these two squares are congruent. Similarly, rectangle. Now our topic is about triangles. How can you say that two triangles are congruent? You take a triangle ABC. It may be a type of triangle. It may be a scalar triangle. It may be an isosceles triangle. It may be an equilateral triangle. Whatever it may be. Okay, A, B, C. You take another triangle P, Q, R. Okay, suppose if I say I keep a single bar for AB and I am keeping a double bar for BC and I keep a triple bar for AC. So here also I am keeping a single bar for PQ, double R for RQ and double R for PR, triple R for PR. What it means? Here AB possesses a single bar, PQ possesses a single bar. That means AB is equal to PQ. It says AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, BC is equal to, BC contains 2 bars. RQ contains 2 bars. So here BC is equal to QR. Okay, and the same time AC is equal to PR because both of them contain triple bars. So these are the corresponding sides. AB is corresponding to PQ. BC is corresponding to QR. That means in place of AB, here PQ replaces. In place of BC, it is replaced with QR. And AC is replaced with PR. So these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. Similarly, angle A. Here in place of A, here P is there. Angle A is equal to angle P. Corresponding angles. Angle B, in place of B, Q is there. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And angle C is equal to angle R. Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Sorry, angle A is equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle R. So, because the corresponding sides are equal, the corresponding angles must and should be equal. This is called as congruency. This is called as congruency. We call it as side. Okay? The corresponding sides of one triangle is equal to. That means the sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle. So you can say that the two triangles are congruent. If the corresponding sides are equal, naturally the corresponding angles must and should be equal. Then you can say that these two triangles are congruent. So this congruency is called as, this property is called as SSS congruency. You can call it as SSS axiom or SSS criterion or SSS property. You can call any way as you like. Okay. So these two triangles are congruent. First of all, it satisfies SSS congruency. Okay. There are some more types, that is SAS. SAS. The second type is SAS. Here it shows S indicates side, A indicates angle. So what we call it as side, angle, side congruency. What do you mean by side, angle, side? You get to take it to triangles. Two triangles A, B, C, P, Q, R. AC single bar, PR single bar, BC double bar, QR double bar, and angle C single arc, angle R single arc. It shows that AC is equal to PR and angle C, this is called as included angle. Angle C is equal to angle R and BC is equal to RQ. Side, angle, side. So this is called as side, angle, side congruency. Okay. So naturally you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. In place of AC, I have to replace with PR. So suppose if AC is congruent to, AC is equal to PR, so naturally AB must and should be equal to QR. Okay, sir, QP. So you can say that ABC, PQR. AB is equal to PQ. And BC, in place of BC, I should write with QR or RQ. And AC, in place of AC, PR. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent according to SAS congruency. If these two triangles are congruent according to SAS congruency, naturally the remaining corresponding measurements must and should be equal. Must and should be equal. What are the remaining corresponding measurements? The remaining corresponding measurements are AB is equal to PQ and angle C is equal to angle R. Here in place of angle C I have written angle R. So what about angle A? Angle A here angle P is there. So angle A must and should be equal to angle P. And here in place of B, I have written Q. It means to say that angle B must and should be equal to angle Q. So these are called as the remaining corresponding elements. Must and should be equal. So here these two triangles are congruent according to SCS congruency. Okay. So we have discussed about SSS congruency, SCS congruency. Okay. Next one is about ASA congruency. ASA congruency. ASA. A means angle, S means side. Angle, side, angle. I think you can guess. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle Q is equal to angle R. So angle B is equal to angle Q. And AC, AB is equal to PQ. Angle A is equal to angle B. AB is equal to PQ. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So these two triangles are congruent according to angle, side, angle. Now what about the remaining corresponding measurements? Angle C must and should be equal to angle R. And AC must and should be equal to PR. And BC must and should be equal to QR. So this is called as angle, side, angle congruency. Okay. Hope you understood about these three congruencies. So we need to discuss one more congruency, that is RHS congruency, that we will discuss in the next section. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.